Hello everyone, welcome to today's video tutorial. I will guide you through the process of clearing the cache in Google Chrome. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. At the top right corner of the browser window, you'll find 3 vertical dots. Click on them to open the Chrome menu. In the Chrome menu, scroll down and locate Settings. Click on it to open the Chrome Settings page. Within the settings, find the Privacy and Security section here. Click on Clear Browsing Data to access the cache clearing options. After the cache has been cleared, it's important to close and relaunch your Google Chrome browser. This step ensures that the cache clearing process is completed and your browser starts fresh. To use the multi-message extension, open a new tab in your Google Chrome browser and visit web.whatsapp.com. Then, open the multi-message extension to start enjoying its features. And that's it! You have successfully cleared the cache in Google Chrome, resolved multi-message extension issues, and learned how to launch multi-message. Clearing your cache regularly can help maintain optimal browser performance. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful videos. Thank you for watching.